Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lights in Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While in a game of Among Us, imposters can sabotage the lights. As a crewmate, they have to rush to the electronic panel in order to fix the light right away. If you are a crewmate and you are in the situation where the imposter has sabotaged the lights, in order to fix the lights, you need to rush to the nearest panel. Go ahead and find the panel, which is usually directed by the yellow arrow, and tap on the use button to interact with the panel. The panel of 5 electrical switches will appear in front of you. Go ahead and connect it and follow the yellow arrow to find the nearest panel and interact with it again. Once you see this kind of a interface, you'll be able to see that some of the buttons are turned off while others are on. Your job is to simply turn on all of them and you'll be able to fix lights in Among Us right away. The panel will disappear as you can go on playing the game and move ahead to a new task. That is how you can easily fix lights that has been sabotaged by an imposter on Among Us. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.